Hey guys, this is Abhinav here and you're watching Creative Abhinav. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make an emergency charger without wasting any time. Let's get started. Material we require: a pencil sharpener, OTG cable, 9-volt battery, electric tape, 5-volt regulator, and a battery connector. Now we have to cut out OTG cable from the center with the help of scissor. Then we have to remove plastic cover of wire. There are 2 extra wires, we have to cut them like this. Then we have to open sharpener screw. Like this. Now we have to join battery connector, voltage converter and cable. Now we have to assemble battery connector, voltage regulator and OTG cable on pencil sharpener. Like this. So guys, our emergency charger is ready. Let us take a quick test. Hey guys, this is Abhinav here and you're watching Creative Abhinav. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. And guys, if you have any query related to this video, you can ask me in comment box. If you want a suggestion for my next video, you can also suggest me in comment box. And guys, now you can follow me on my Facebook and Instagram page, links in description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.